Hey all, Glenn Kirshner here. So friends, the month of May started with Special Counsel Jack Smith busily presenting witnesses to the grand jury investigating the crimes of Donald Trump. And the month ended with a revelation that there's an audio-taped recording of Donald Trump illegally possessing and discussing a classified document about U.S. plans regarding a possible attack on a foreign country. A document that Donald Trump's attorneys now say they can't find. You know, friends, we don't know this for a fact, but it feels like June 2023 might just be the month. The month that all law-abiding Americans have been waiting for a very long time. In the meantime, here is a brief recap of the legal stories for the month that was May 2023. So in the E. Jean Carroll case, Donald Trump's attorneys just filed a motion for a mistrial. Don't be fooled, friends. So a D.C. jury is deliberating in the Proud Boys seditious conspiracy trial. And they sent a note out to the judge suggesting that they might have a hard time reaching unanimous verdicts on all charges. What happens next? So friends, 3 legal updates. Rudy is broke, Trump is defenseless, and Jack Smith is busy. Well, friends, I'm not sure if the boys are feeling all that proud at the moment, because a D.C. jury just convicted all 5 Proud Boys defendants for participating in the attack on the Capitol on January 6th. Well, friends, it looks like there's a mole at Mar-a-Lago. So friends, former Attorney General Bill Barr speaks the truth. I know, I was surprised too. So friends, Donald Trump continues to up the disinformation ante with his false, reckless, dangerous posts. What should prosecutors do about it? So friends, Donald Trump announced that he would be rushing back to the U.S., cutting short his overseas golf trip because he would be testifying in his trial. And guess what happened next? Well, friends, at long last, a judge has finally put some guardrails up around Donald Trump, restricting what he can say and what he can post. Let's talk about that, because justice matters. So friends, what are some of the main takeaways from a New York jury's unanimous finding that Donald Trump sexually abused and defamed E. Jean Carroll? You know, friends, before that CNN town hall, somebody probably should have pulled Donald Trump aside and said, you know, sport, you have the right to remain silent. So a judge just ordered Donald Trump to return to court to be schooled on what he's not permitted to say and what he's not permitted to do. So friends, a former New York prosecutor who investigated the crimes of Donald Trump just called out Jim Jordan and his congressional committee to obstruct justice. So friends, a Republican billionaire mega donor who has been lavishing extravagant, expensive gifts and benefits on Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas just told a Senate committee, no, I won't be providing you information about any of that, about what is essentially his Supreme Court influence operation. So friends, Fulton County, Georgia District Attorney Fani Willis just filed something in court that puts Donald Trump's criminal defense attorneys in their place. Now wait, there's an allegation in a lawsuit that was just filed in court that Rudy Giuliani was selling presidential pardons for $2 million a pop and splitting the money with Donald Trump? Shocking. So friends, I have a quick Justice Matters public service announcement. After posting more than 1,000 legal analysis videos over the past few years, going at it 7 days a week, my wife and I have decided we're going to take a short vacation. We're going to step away for just about a week or so. So I'm going to miss a few days of posting our daily legal analysis videos. Now, while I'm gone, I will be posting some original content, specifically a 3-part interview series that I did with a gentleman named Buddy Winston. So friends, as I mentioned in a recent video, I'm on a short vacation, but rather than have a Justice Matters blackout, I'm really pleased to be posting a 3-part interview series. Friends, I hope you'll enjoy part 1 of my conversation with Buddy Winston. I hope you enjoy episode 2 of my 3-part interview series with Buddy Winston. So friends, did you see yet another Donald Trump criminal defense attorney just quit the program, walked off of Team Trump? You know, so many of Trump's attorneys, current and former, are all sending the same signal. That signal? Indictments are coming. So Donald Trump's lawyers send an absurd letter to Attorney General Merrick Garland. Friends, I hope you enjoy part 3, the final installment of my interviews with Buddy Winston. So friends, apparently Donald Trump and his criminal associates down at Mar-a-Lago were conducting trial runs, dress rehearsals, as the Washington Post called them, trial runs of their intended crimes. So for trying to overthrow our democracy, the head of the Oath Keepers, Elmer Stewart Rhodes, is going to prison for 18 years, but not if Donald Trump and Ron DeSantis can help it. So friends, today let's update 3 stories, all of which involve what we will now be referring to as the Trump trials. So friends, is anybody interested in putting a puzzle together, with the puzzle pieces being incriminating evidence in Donald Trump's classified documents crimes? Donald Trump caught on tape discussing classified documents, exposing his own lies. Let's talk about that, because justice matters.